middle, or?
It's fine right here. So, for this one, you're gonna follow those arrows, go around the cones. After you get around that last one, you're gonna go to that corner and turn left. Come down to this corner. Instead of stopping, when you get to right here, turn. Alright, so, you can hear me. Do the cones first.
Okay.
Corner. When you get to this corner, do a U-turn. Try and keep it within the box. You want to be facing this way on this side of the solid yellow line.
This way, right?
Yep. So you're going to do a full U-turn.
I stop next to the line here?
You can pull up there a little more if
Okay.
you have to.
The right-hand turn around the same one I just did left, right?
Alright, thank you.
Yeah, so after that last cone, you make the right.
Yeah,
Right.
in the corner there, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Back to the same tee?
This one here.
Okay.
I'll explain to you what.
Facing that way?
I'm going to face this way. Alright, so for this one, I'm going to test your stopping distance, your stopping ability. See those two cones? That yellow line in the middle there?
Yep.
That big U? You're going to go to about 12 to 20 miles an hour. When your front tire gets in between those two cones, I want you to stop the bike as quickly and safely as possible. And I'm going to judge your stopping distance, okay?
Right in between the two cones, or?
No, you don't want to stop. Once your tire goes through them, then you hit the brakes.
Okay.
And
you want me to stop on the dotted lines?
yeah, well, the dotted lines are just to judge your distance. So
I don't have to swerve or anything, just hit the
not for
brakes?
this one. Nope. So you go 12 to 20 miles an hour. Once you hit those cones, hit your brakes. We'll go from there. Just wait till I tell you to go down.
Good?
Alright, so this time you're going to do the same thing, only this time when you get between those cones, you're going to swerve. Swerve the bike. Stop in this area here. On this side of the red line. So you go from there to here. You hear me?
So you want me to hit the brakes right at the cones?
No, I don't want you. You hit the cones 12 to 20 miles an hour.
Yeah.
When you hit there, you're going to swerve. You're going to hit the brakes up here.
Okay, so I'm going to swerve around the cone and just hit the brakes right there.
But you want to stay on this side of that red line.
This side.
Yep. So
And-
between the cone and the red line up here.
And hit the brakes right after the cone?
You can hit the brakes whenever you want, as long as you swerve over to here.
Okay.
All right. You can go whenever you're ready.
good?
It's good.
Is that it? I thought you said there were 7.
Well, like that first one counted as 2. You did the sharp turn and then the normal stop. You know what I mean? Some of
So I got 100?
Yeah, you didn't do anything good. You're wrong. You're good.
Yeah. Last time I was here, in order to get this test, I came here at 5 a.m. I didn't leave until like almost noon.
Oh, for the written test?
No, in order to schedule this.
Oh, really?
I had it scheduled originally with the DMV closed
Oh, okay.
right when I was supposed to come here.
COVID.
Yeah, so I don't think they're giving out tickets again. I mean, can you just call them up and just see if they can just let me go?
They won't. They're going to tell me the same thing.
Maybe just ask. Maybe they'll let me, you know? 'Cause I already waited at 5 a.m., you know?
The good thing is with the motorcycle permit, you can still ride, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
It's worth going over there and telling them you just passed your test.
yeah,
You're just trying to upgrade, see what they say.
yeah.
Me calling over there is not going to help. So if you need this, you don't really need it for that. If you want to keep it or whatever. It's up to you. But, yeah, go try. They might tell you to come back later today. They might give you a number. Come back later. So, alright.
I appreciate it.
No problem, man. Good job.
Thanks.